Program to find the factorial of any numbers. Like us to define a function that will be able to call the factorial of any number. Function is a subprogram. It's a subprogram. So in PHP, then the variable to represent any number. Then the closing the parentheses will be there. I think let's represent our FA is equal to 1, assign 1 to FA. Then we set up a loop for. Then you can use K as a counter. K is equal to 1 is equal to 1 semicolon $ K less than or equal to $n semicolon, so less than or equal to n semicolon $K plus plus. So what I'm going to do now is to I've set up a loop that will run from 1 to n. So during the execution, I want the system to do the multiplication starting from K semicolon. That is K times this will give us this. Then at the end of the day, should return the result. Return the result $ FA. So I think the function has been written. Let's try to call the function out now, which is if our n is equal to 5 semicolon, let's echo what's going to be our factorial. The function semicolon. So what is going to be our function? Let's execute our program to see what will happen. FAC. Is it exercise 2? FAC PHP. Let me check. I'm not sure the type. Exercise 4. Line 23. Let's check what happens on line 23. N. I did not put n there, which is value of n. Okay. That's 120. The factorial is 120. So let me find the factorial of 7. Change this one to 7. So let's run it again and see what will happen. 7 is let's check that of 6. 6 should be 720. So that's all about factorial of any numbers.